another beat.
That's an easy one.
I know, right? Let me fix you nicely. You're warm. Okay. No, we don't. Usually 4 and something, but even if it's still 4 and below, if they're old and they are stable enough, we don't usually go through these days. Yeah.
He's complaining tonight.
Have you spoken to? Yeah, they do lose.
She lost when she was.
Pick another one. You farted.
Yeah, it's used.
Ooh. What did you eat?
You okay?
Yeah, they lose it. They lose some. Oh, yeah, you have. I don't. Yeah.
Look at it. You're covering yourself up, Ryland.
Yeah, speak with the doctors. What the plan is. Yeah, there should be a plan right by now. You know, the baby's doctors, they have 3 or 4 in the morning. They're gonna be doing their rounds, and or if you cannot come, you can call them. Coming
In the morning.
the come starts at about 9:30.
Ryland's waking up,
10.
getting ready to eat.
Everything. So call at about noontime. You should have seen your baby. Yeah, if you want to come, you can come early too. We'll catch them personally. Because they should have come by now. Yeah, we don't. I know I did a test this morning, a blood test, so I would.